Good morning, students. Now let's see the back exercise of your poem, The Voice of the Rain. There are 5 questions given in your book. So, question number 1, as you can see there are two voices in the poem. Who do they belong to, and which lines indicate this? So, you all know very well these two voices are of one of the poet and another of the rain. And the line which indicates this is the very first line of the poem. And who art thou, said I, to the soft falling shower. So this line indicates there are two voices in the poem. Look at the question number 2. What does the phrase strange to tell means? Do you know this? The phrase strange to tell. So it was strange for the soft falling shower to reply. As you know, this is non-living. But here it is speaking to the poet. So this was strange for the poet to tell what answer was given by the rain. So when the poet asked the rain, who are thou? The rain replied, I am the poem of earth. So this is strange to tell. Let's see now third one. There is a parallel between rain and music. Which words indicate this? Explain the similarity between the two. So here for this answer you have to select better words and lines from the poem which which tell us the similarity between music and rain. And there are the last two lines of the poem, that is for the song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering wrecked or unwrecked, the duly with love returns. So these two lines as written in bracket, they draw a parallel between rain and music. And here the poet has compared life cycle of the rain and the song. So the song originated from the heart of the singer. It moves from one place to other, and then it goes back to the singer itself, and whether it is liked or not liked by, and it means it comes back to its birthplace in the end with lots of love. So similarly, the rain, it originates from the earth and fulfills its duty to beautify and purify the earth, and wanders and comes back with love for its creator. So this way the poet has compared these two, music and the rain. Let's see the fourth one. How is the cyclic movement of rain brought out in the poem? Compare it with what you have learnt in science. So you all have learnt in sciences what is the water cycle, how the water gets evaporated, it moves up and then comes down in the form of rain. So similarly, the poet has described the water cycle here in the poem also. Water rises from the land and bottomless sea, goes in the form of vapor, it changes its form and then transforms into clouds, comes back, purifies the environment. So this all is similar to that is water cycle. Okay, so now let's see the last one. Why are the last two lines put within bracket? Can you guess why these are put in brackets? Anyone? So you see, in the poem we find answer is given by the rain. All the lines are said by the rain from third line onward. But the last two lines, these are put in bracket because they are not spoken by the rain. But that is the observation made by the poet. That is reflecting the thoughts of the poet. So he has made similarity between the rain and the music by writing these two lines. This is why the last two lines, they are put into bracket. So I hope the answers are very much clear to you, and now you have to write all these answers in your registers, fair registers beta, and write very neatly everything.